Hey everyone! Ever wondered why you can be a size 8 in one store and a size 12 in another? Yeah, me too. Today I'm diving into the mysterious world of clothing sizes and why they're all over the place. First things first, let's talk about the history. Clothing sizes actually started in the early 20th century, when ready-to-wear clothing became popular. Back then, manufacturers needed a standard way to make clothes that fit the average consumer. They based sizes on a few body measurements from a small group of people. But here's the kicker. Those measurements haven't really evolved much with time, even though our bodies have. Now, let's fast forward to today. Different brands have their own sizing charts because there's no universal standard. What's a size 6 in one brand might be a size 10 in another. Why, you ask? It's all about marketing. Brands want you to feel good when you try on their clothes, so they use something called vanity sizing. That's when they label larger clothes with smaller sizes to make you feel better about yourself. Sneaky, right? But it doesn't stop there. Globalization adds another layer of confusion. European sizes, UK sizes, US sizes, they all use different measurements. For example, a US size 8 is a UK size 12 and a European size 40. Confusing, right? No wonder online shopping can be a nightmare. So what can you do about it? Here are a few tips to navigate this sizing chaos. First, always check the sizing chart. Every brand usually provides one, so take a quick look before you buy. Second, read reviews. Other shoppers often share if an item runs big or small. And third, know your measurements. Keep a measuring tape handy and jot down your bust, waist, and hip measurements. This will help you match your size more accurately. And here's a little secret. Some brands are starting to listen. They're introducing more inclusive sizing and even smart sizes that adapt to your body shape. It's a slow change, but it's happening. So next time you're frustrated in the fitting room or while shopping online, remember, it's not you, it's the clothes. Understanding the mystery behind sizing can save you time, money, and a whole lot of aggravation. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more insights on everyday mysteries. Thanks for watching. See you next time.